Hi guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful dream catcher. For this tutorial, you just need to know how to crochet this double crochet, and you can make it and enjoy it and put it on your wall. For this tutorial, you need this size of hook or the size of 2mm. It's not different, and this kind of yarn. So let's go to see how to crochet this. For the first round of this dream catcher, you need to use the white color of the yarn, but it is your choice. You can use a different color too. And then make one slip knot here and then make 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Then put the hook in the first chain here and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch here. Now you have this hole, exactly this part. Then you need to have 3 chains here. 1 2 and 3, and then put the hook in the middle of this ring and yarn over and make 1 double crochet here. Again, put the hook here and make another double crochet. We need 15 double crochet round of this ring. Now I finished this round exactly here, and then I want to change the color of the yarn and use this color. So I put this different color here between my finger and then put the hook in the 3rd chains here and then yarn this different color and again here and make 1 slip stitch in this part and then make 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then I put the hook in the first double crochet in above of this double crochet and make 1 double crochet here. Then make 2 chains. Again, put the hook in this part in the next chain exactly here, and I want to try to hide this extra yarn, so I put it between my finger and then yarn over and make another double crochet here. Again, make 2 chains and again put the hook in the next chain and make another double crochet here. So I continue this until I arrive here. Now I finished this round and I have 16 of this pattern here, and then I want to complete this part. So I want to change the color, so I put this different color of yarn between my finger and put the hook in the 3rd chain and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch in this part. Then I put the hook in this big hole here and yarn over and make another slip stitch in this part. So I arrive in this hole. In above of this hole we need 3 chains. Now we have 3 chains and 3 double crochet. So but in popcorn stitch. So this is 1 2 and 3. Then yarn over between these olive loops and then make 4 chains here. Okay, then put the hook in the next hole exactly this part and make another popcorn stitch with 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Then yarn over and again make 4 chains here. So repeat this until you arrive here. Now I finished this round exactly right here. Then I want to crochet this part, so I want to change the color of the yarn, but before that I go to the third chain and make one slip stitch here like this, and then put a different color between my finger and put the hook in above of this popcorn stitch and make one chain here. Then again put the hook here in the same space and make one single crochet in this part. Then I go to this space exactly here and and make double crochet in this part. Right, this we need 5 double crochet here, so this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I use a scissor and cut this extra yarn, but before that I put the hook in above of this popcorn stitch here and put the hook and make one single crochet here. Again put the hook in this space and make 5 double crochet into this space. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again in above of this popcorn stitch put the hook and make one single crochet. So repeat this until you arrive here. Now again I finished this round like this, and then I want to start this part. So again I want to change the color in this part. I make 5 double crochet here, so I want to make a slip stitch in this part. I change the color of the yarn and put the hook in the above of this single crochet and yarn over and make one slip stitch here. Then make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and make again 3 chains again. Now we have 6 chains here, and then put the hook in the third double crochet and make one single crochet here. Then make 3 chains again. Now we have 3 chains, and then put the hook in above of this single crochet and make one double crochet here like this. Again make 3 chains, put the hook in the third double crochet and make one single crochet here. 3 chains, put the hook in above of this single crochet and make one double crochet. So repeat this until you arrive here. I finish this round, and then I put the hook in the middle of this part and make one slip stitch, and then make one single crochet here, and then make 5 chains here and put the hook in the above of this hole and make one single crochet here. Again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Put the hook in the next hole and make one single crochet. So repeat this until you finish this round. When you finish this round, put the hook here in the next hole and make one single crochet, and again make 5 chains and put the hook in the next hole and make 1 single crochet. Again, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5 chains. Put the hook in the next hole and make 1 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here make 1 single crochet until you complete this round. Now I finished this round. Then I use this ring here and put it under this dream catcher, and then put the hook into this hole here and yarn over and make 1 single crochet here. We need 5 single crochet into this hole. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we have 5 single crochet here. Then I put the hook under this hole and yarn over here and again make 5 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so you must repeat this 5 single crochet in this hole until you complete this round. Okay, now I finished this round, and for the end part I put the hook in the first chain, the first single crochet, and make 1 slip stitch and then 1 chain and cut the yarn. You can use the needle to hide this extra yarn and this extra yarn and have this beautiful dream catcher. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, put your question in your comments part and I answer to you as soon as possible.